Hello guys, for you to cook some tomato sauce, what you need to do is to start by adding some cooking oil in your pot, after which you're going to add in your red onions and you give that a good mix, and also add in your fresh chili, nicely diced, after which we're going to introduce our dry herbs. In this case, I'm going to add in some dry cumin seeds, and followed by dry chili flakes. After this, we're going to bring in dry oregano herbs. I'm going to add that right there. I'm going to give this a good mix. As you continue to cook, I'll add in some previously prepared ginger and garlic paste, which is at this point I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit, because ginger and garlic tends to make the cooking, the food start sticking. So just lower the heat and start adding your spices, which will include some turmeric, paprika powder, and after I'm going to add in some freshly chopped red capsicum. I'm going to give this a good mix, and I'm going to add in some salt and black pepper for seasoning, after which I'm going to mix a little bit and cover it for a couple of minutes, after which I'm going to introduce my tomato paste. I'm not going to use much, probably like 40 grams of it, which is about like 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste. After which I'm going to add in some little water, bring back up the heat up. I'm going to increase the heat, and then after which I'm going to add in my fresh herbs, which include thyme and some basil leaves, which are already prepared and set aside. So after I add that in, I also had earlier prepared some blended tomato puree, and this is where I'm going to add it into the mixture. Also, I'm going to cover this, and after a little mix, I'm going to cover it and also let it cook, bring it to a boil, lower the heat once again, and at this point I'm going to check the seasoning, add in some little salt if need be, and I'm going to add some little brown sugar just to tone down the acidity of the mixture of the sauce. And after that, I'm going to add in a little soy sauce just to add in some flavor, and after that I'm going to cover it and simmer it on very low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, and at this point it's going to be ready to take out and let it cool down. Once it cools down, what I usually store this tomato sauce to use it in a variety of dishes. So thank you for watching, and for those who are new in this platform, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video so you can help me to keep building. And for the new guys in the platform, thank you for sticking around, thank you for joining, and I appreciate you.